Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Susan Marra with Dr. Marra's Medical Minutes, and today we're going to talk about hair loss and infections. So, one of the things that frequently happens in patients when they become infected with any infection, it could be strep, could be a virus, could be COVID, could be tick-borne illness, even mold, is oftentimes you will see hair loss, and it will be one of the first symptoms that you experience. And what happens is the infection basically invades the hair follicle and interferes with protein synthesis, and therefore your hair starts to thin. And it can also get very fragile and break. And this is very, very common in tick-borne illness. And in fact, for me, hair loss is my canary in the coal mine. In other words, that's the first symptom that I experience when I'm having a flare or a relapse. And you can even see it. You can see the right side of my hair is much thinner than the left side. I don't know if you can see it, but it definitely is. And so, it takes a little while to have your hair grow in. And there are a few nutrients that you can use to help that. One is called biotin, and the other one is called silica. And the product is called Regenimax. And the other product, which is great, which is now what I'm using, is called Nutrafol. And you can get it on Amazon. And it has a bunch of nutrients in it, and it's not cheap, though. That's the only problem. I think it's like $80 for a month, and it has several nutrients that will fortify your hair and help with hair growth. And the other thing that will help with hair growth is red light. And you know who toots red light? Here she is, right here, Juji Butt. She even wears red today. My beautiful girl. My beautiful girl. So anyways, don't be alarmed if you start to lose hair. Hair loss can also be a primary symptom of hypothyroidism. And so for sure you have to have a thyroid workup and make sure that it's not your thyroid that's cuckoo or gone bananas. So you want to do a thyroid workup and a cortisol workup, but more often than not, it's simply from infection. And as you get the infection under control, the hair loss will begin to stop. It'll be slow. It's not like overnight, but your hair loss will stop. And then you can start taking nutrients to have your hair regrow. And it'll come back just the same. It's not going to feel different or be different or anything like that. And then just watch for when you have hair loss, it means that something deep is going on in your body, pretty much, almost always. So hair loss also happens in animals when they get infection. So you've got to take care of your bubs. Yeah, you got to take care of your bubs. Juju's well cared for. Anyways, I hope that helps you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.